If your Amazon Fire TV's Alexa voice remote is malfunctioning, then if you unpair and properly hard reset the Fire TV remote, it should be enough to fix any kind of issues. So let me show you how to soft reset or hard reset your Amazon remote step by step. Before hard resetting your remote, you can simply try to unpair and repair it to your Fire TV. To do that, bring your remote close to your Fire TV and then hold down the home button for at least 5 seconds or until you see the LED blinking. Now your Alexa voice remote is unpaired from your Fire TV. You can confirm that it's unpaired by pressing the Alexa button on your remote and you will say your remote is not paired. Now you can simply select Pair Now from here and it will take you to the pairing page. In case you don't see the pop-up, then to go to these settings manually, just go to the Settings tab, then select Controllers and Bluetooth device. Now, open Alexa voice remote, select Add New Remote. Now just press the Select button on the Fire TV remote that's shown here, and the remote will pair back to your Fire TV. Now, let's see how you can hard reset your Fire TV remote. For that, you'll need to unplug your Fire TV from power, wait for about half a minute. Then you'll need to hold 3 buttons on your Fire TV remote while your TV is off. The buttons are the left button, the back button, and the menu button. So let's hold it together and keep holding it for 10 seconds. Now wait for another minute before you plug your TV back in. And after your TV turns on, your remote may pair itself automatically, but if it doesn't, just follow the previous process to pair it back. So that's how you can hard reset or soft reset your Amazon Fire TV's Alexa voice remote. If this helped, you can drop a like and subscribe for more.